Hi there everybody, this is Maddox here from youtube.com on live from YouTube. Today I'm going to take a tutorial on how to fix and set up your PC or a personal computer which you have bought and don't know how to assemble. Nowadays PC are coming very cheap in prices and can be assembled very quickly and easy. I will take you to a tutorial and show you step by steps to fit your assembled PC. Please stay back and stand by. First we are going to see how to fit our monitor, which is our CPU. First on the CPU, put any desks, clicks like that. Coming. After that, place it in a perfect place where you can currently operate your UPS or your CPU. Then take your take your UPS and find it a convenient place for where you can fit it. Like just over there for the convenient. After you do that, make sure you got all the things correct here. UPS is currently positioned where you can keep your things safely. A plug adapter for all your 3CB adapter. Next up, moving to the screen of the PC in a convenient position like this, so you can observe, add all the plugins. Side panel there. And your CPUs like this, looking more like this. It's all currently your configurations. Let's move to the keyboard and mouse, I'll take it and show you in a second. Keyboard, and hang on for a second, and all the other things just in the computer. Right, mine's a second hand, so it's like this. Your HB spike. Move that aside. First spike. All the other things you get, like some wires. The mouse controller. Keep it there. So after some time I will take a small cut, then we'll see how it be looking like after I fix all these wires, CPU, mouse, everything. Then I'll return to this video shortly, teach you on how to on the computer.